In this video, you'll learn 30 must-know Excel functions for beginners that will help you save time and work faster in Excel. Let's get started. SUM formula explained. Here you can see multiple product amounts. Now we want to calculate the grand total of all these values. In Excel, whenever we need to add many numbers together, we use the SUM formula. Type equal sum. Select all the numbers you want to add, close the bracket, and press Enter. Excel instantly calculates the total amount. So instead of adding numbers manually, SUM does it automatically. Next, SUMIF Formula explained. Now, suppose we don't want the total of all items. We only want the total sales of one specific item, for example, notebook. For this situation, we use the SUMIF formula. First, select the item range. Next, define the condition, which item's total you need. Finally, select the amount column. Press Enter. Excel now calculates only the item's total automatically. Next, product formula explained. Here we have quantity and rate. To calculate the total amount, we need multiplication. Instead of using the star symbol every time, we can use the product formula. Select quantity, then rate, and press Enter. Both values get multiplied automatically. To apply the formula to other cells, just double-click the cell and it will update automatically. Next, max formula explained. Sometimes we need to find the highest value, like maximum marks or highest sales. For this, we use the max formula. Select the entire marks range and press Enter. Excel shows the highest number immediately. Add new marks, and the system updates instantly. Next, min formula explained. If you want to find the lowest value, we use the min formula. Select the range, then press Enter. Excel returns the minimum value from the list. Next, LEN Formula explained. Type LEN Formula. Counts how many characters are inside a cell, like letters, numbers, spaces. Select the cell and press Enter. Excel shows the total character length instantly. Press Ctrl+D to fill down and update all cells automatically. Next, COUNT Formula explained. If a cell is blank or contains text, COUNT will ignore it. For example, if we have employee salaries and some cells are blank, and we want to know how many employees received a salary, type COUNT. Select the salary range, close the bracket, and press Enter. Excel will instantly show how many salaries contain numbers. Next, COUNTA Formula explained. This formula is used to count all non-empty cells, like text, numbers, any value entered in a cell, but it does not count blank cells. Type COUNTA. Select the range, close the bracket, and press Enter. Excel will instantly show how many cells are filled. Next, COUNTIF Formula explained. COUNTIF works based on a condition. For example, suppose we want to count how many students are present and how many are absent. First, type COUNTIF. Then select the complete attendance range. Now enter the condition inside. Type P. For present, close the bracket and press Enter. Excel will immediately show how many students are present. To count absent students, use the same method. Again, type COUNTIF. Select the attendance range and enter A. Inside, close the bracket and press Enter. Excel instantly updates the total number of absent students. Select the other cells and press Ctrl+D. The formula updates automatically. Next, average formula explained. If we want monthly average sales performance, we use average. Select monthly sales data and press Enter. Excel instantly calculates the average sales value. Now, if you want to apply the same formula for other products like hoodie and jacket, simply copy the average formula cell and paste it into the hoodie and jacket rows. Excel will automatically adjust the cell references and update the average values instantly. Next, proper formulas explained. If names are written in small letters, proper automatically converts them into proper format. Type proper. Select the name cell, close the bracket, and press Enter. The first letter becomes capital instantly. Select the other cells and press Ctrl+D. The formula applies to all names at once. Next, Upper formulas. Explained. Upper formula is used to convert small letters into capital letters. Type upper. Select the name cell, close the bracket, and press Enter. The text will convert into capital letters. Select the other cells and press Ctrl+D to apply the formula to all names instantly. Next, concatenate formulas. Explained. Concatenate formula is used to combine two words or texts into one cell. For example, first name and last name are in separate columns, and we want to display them in a single cell. Type concatenate. Select the first name, add comma, and give space inside double quotes. Then select the last name. Close the bracket and press Enter. Both names will combine into one cell. Press Ctrl+D to apply the formula to all rows instantly. Next, large formulas. Explained. Large formula is used to find the highest values from a list of numbers. Type large, select the number range, then enter K value. If you type 1, Excel shows the largest number. Press Enter. Now see, the highest value is displayed instantly. If you type 2, it shows the second largest number. If you type 3, it shows the third largest number. Excel instantly detects and displays the top values without any manual effort. Next, small formulas. Explained. Small is used to find the lowest numbers from a list based on position. Type small, select the complete number range, then enter the K value. If you type 1, Excel shows the smallest number. Press Enter. The lowest value appears instantly. If you type 2, it shows the second smallest number. Excel quickly ranks and returns the lowest values without checking the data manually. Next, Roman formulas. Explained. If we have simple numbers and want to change them into Roman format, we use this formula. Type Roman. Select the number cell, close the bracket, and press Enter. The number will instantly convert into Roman format. To apply it to all numbers, select the formula cell and press Ctrl+D. All numbers will automatically convert into Roman numbers at once. Next, if formula. Explained. If formula is used to show results based on a condition. For example, if sales are greater than or equal to 50,000, we give a laptop, otherwise, we give a tab. Type if. First, give the logical test, select the sales cell and type 50,000. Add a comma, then enter the value if true inside double quotes, laptop. Again, add a comma and enter the value if false, tab. Close the bracket and press Enter. Excel checks the condition automatically and shows the result. Press Ctrl+D to apply the formula to all rows instantly. Next, left formula. Explained. For example, if we have words like Sunday or Monday, and we want only the first 3 characters, left side. Type left. Select the text cell, add comma, then enter the number of characters. For example, 3. Close the bracket and press Enter. Excel will return the first 3 characters from the left side. Press Ctrl+D to apply the formula to all cells instantly. Next, right formula. Explained. For example, if we have mobile numbers and want to find the last 4 digits, type right. Select the number or text cell, add comma, then enter the number of characters. For example, 4. Close the bracket and press Enter. Excel will instantly return the last 4 digits. Select the other cells and press Ctrl+D. The formula returns the required characters from the right side. Next, COUNTBLANK Formula. Explained. For example, here we have names and mobile numbers, but some people have not provided their mobile numbers. Now we want to find how many cells are blank. Type COUNTBLANK. Select the complete mobile number range, close the bracket, and press Enter. Excel will instantly show how many cells are empty. Next, Now Formula. Explained. Now Formula is used to display the current date and time. Type Now in any cell. No need to enter anything inside the bracket. Close the bracket and press Enter. Excel will instantly show the current date and time. Next, Today Formula. Explained. Today Formula is used to display today's current date. Type Today and press Enter. Excel will instantly show today's date. You can also find previous or next dates. For yesterday's date, type today, -1, press enter. Will instantly show yesterday's date. For tomorrow's date, type today, +1 enter. Will instantly show tomorrow's date. Excel automatically updates dates based on the current day. Next, time formula explained. Time formula is used to create a specific time format in Excel. Type time. Inside the bracket, enter hour, minute, and second, and press enter. This will display 4:30 a.m. If you want to show evening time, use 24-hour format. Change 4 to 16. Press enter. Now it will display 4:30 p.m. Next, month formula explained. Month formula is used to extract the month from a given date. Type month. Select the date cell, close the bracket, and press enter. Excel will return the month number from that date. If you change the date, the month updates automatically. Next, DATEDIF Formula explained. If we have a person's date of birth and want to calculate how many years, months, and days old they are, we use this formula. Type DATEDIF. Select the date of birth, type today, then type Y for years, and press enter. For month, type DATEDIF. Select the date of birth, type today, then type YM, and press enter. For days, type DATEDIF. Select the date of birth, type today, then type MD and press enter. It will return remaining days. Excel automatically calculates complete age in years, months, and days. Next, round formula explained. If you have a value like 123.4567 and you want only 2 decimal places, type equals round open parenthesis, A1, 2 close parenthesis. Press enter. Excel will round the number to 2 decimal places. If you type 0 as number underscore digits, Excel will round the number to the nearest whole number. If you use 1, it keeps 1 decimal place. Select the other cells and press Ctrl+D. Excel rounds the numbers based on the specified digits. Next, mode formula explained. It tells you what value is left after one number is divided by another. The number you are dividing by example. If you type mode, open parenthesis, 10, 3 close parenthesis, and press enter, the result will be 1, because 10 divided by 3 gives 3 as quotient and 1 as remainder. Another example, type mode, 20, 5 close parenthesis. Result will be 0 because 20 is completely divisible by 5. Select the other cells and press Ctrl+D. The formula will apply to all results at once and helps in logical and pattern-based analysis. Next, power formula explained. Power formula is used to raise a number to a power. In simple words, it calculates exponents. Type power, open parenthesis, 5, 2, close parenthesis, press enter. The result will be 25 because 5 times 5 equals 25. Example 2 equals power, open parenthesis, 2, 3, close parenthesis. Result will be 8 because 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. You can also use the caret symbol, equals 5 to the power of 2. Press enter. Power quickly calculates exponent values without manual multiplication. Select the cells and press Ctrl+D. The formula applies to all power results instantly. Next, search formula explained. Search formula is used to find the position of specific text inside another text. It tells you at which number position a word or letter starts. Type search. Type train. Select Excel training cell. Press enter. The result will be 7, because the word train starts at the 7th position. Search quickly finds the position of text inside a cell, making text analysis easy. Next, replace formula explained. The replace formula is used to substitute part of a text string with new text. It replaces characters starting at a specific position. Type replace. Select Excel Master. Then select 3 characters to replace. Press Enter, and the result will be Excel Pro. Master is replaced with Pro, starting from position 6. Select the cells and press Ctrl+D. The formula applies to all replace results instantly. Replace helps you dynamically edit or modify parts of text with full control over position and length. That's it. You learn 30 basic Excel functions that help you work faster and smarter in Excel. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.